Grex 9032 Narrow Crown Stapler. This professional tool shoots 1/4 inch crown staples from 3/8 to 1 1/4 inches long. The robust all-metal construction means you can crank pressures high enough to fire into the toughest hardwoods. The 9032 has proven itself in over 10 years of successful field use. The open side-loading magazine makes for fast and easy reloads. The flip front nose piece makes it easy to clear jams. The narrow nose piece gets into tight spots like dados, slots, and corners. And with the balance point right at the trigger, you can use this tool comfortably all day long.